Calculate the cost of the loan, the interest, for a mortgage of $200,000 at 5.5% interest and 30 years. So the first thing we're going to do is figure out the monthly payment of the installment loan, and then we'll go ahead and figure out the cost of the loan. So we use the installment payment formula, M equals principal amount times R over N divided by 1 minus 1 plus R over N to the negative NT power. So let's substitute. M equals, now the principal amount is $200,000. Interest rate is 0.055. And N, the number of payments in a year. Well, you pay monthly, so it's going to be 12. Divided by 1 minus 1 plus, and the R over N is going to be 0.055 divided by 12 to the negative. It's going to be 12 for the N, and the T, the number of years, is 30. Okay, so let's simplify this using a calculator. 200,000 times 0.055 divided by 12, 916.67, let's say. Then divided by 1 minus and we'll do 1 plus 0.055 divided by 12. Let's go ahead and raise that to the negative 12 times 30. So I'm going to put the 12 times 30 in parentheses for the exponent. And make sure the exponent is negative. You'll get a very different answer if you did a positive one by mistake. So 0.19277, let's just say it's 0.1928. Okay, now we'll do 916.67 divided by, and then open parentheses, 1 minus 0.1928. I have to use parentheses here because the calculator would want to divide first, and if it did that, it would do 916.67 divided by 1, and then subtract the 0.1928. I want it to subtract first, so I use the parentheses there. Okay, so there's that monthly payment, $1135.62. And that does include interest. Okay, now to finish the cost of the loan calculation, we need to find the total amount of all these payments and then subtract the original $200,000, and that'll give just the interest. So there are 12 times 30 payments, and that was $360. So we take $1135.62, then we multiply that by $360, and that tells us the total amount you pay back, including interest. So 1135.62 times 360. That's a big number, $408,823. Now to find how much of that is interest, subtract the $200,000. $208,823. And once again, there's usually a little round-off error with these, so you want to pick the closest answer. So we're going to pick C. So that total cost of the loan to buy a house was $208,000. You actually paid more than double what the house was worth by the time you're paying off the mortgage.